Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to discuss some questions on phrase replacement. This lecture is brought to you by team Jindal.in. So let's move on to our first question. So, what exactly is phrase replacement? So, in phrase replacement, we're given a sentence and a phrase is marked in bold, and we have to decide if that bold part is correct grammatically or contextually, or if it's wrong. And if it's wrong, then we have to choose a correct option from the first four options we're given, and if it's right, then we simply have to choose option number 5, which says no change required. So, the first sentence says, the minister said that he is proud of the people of his constituency. The sentence makes sense contextually. Let's see if it has any error grammatically. The sentence is an indirect speech, and it's a rule in indirect speech that whatever tense the reporting verb will be in, the reported speech also has to be expressed in the same tense. Here, the reporting verb is said. Therefore, and said is in past tense, so therefore, the entire sentence has to be in past tense. But in the bold part, it says he is proud of. So we have to make it into simple past. So it should be he was proud of. The minister said that he was proud of the people of his constituency. Let's see if we have he was proud of in the options. Yes, we do. Option number 2. So the correct answer will be option number 2. Let's move on to the second question. It says, we must treat any statement as a rumor until they are confirmed with proof. So the sentence makes sense contextually again. Let's see if it has any mistakes grammatically. We're talking about any statement which is singular. The subject is singular statement. But the bold part says until they are confirmed, which is hinting towards the plurality of the subject. But the subject is singular, hence the bold part is wrong and it has to be turned into a singular phrase. So the correct answer should have been until it is confirmed. Let's see if we have this in our options. Yes, we do. Option number 3, until it is confirmed. Yes. So the correct statement would be we must treat any statement as a rumor until it is confirmed with proof.